Aloha, social media lights. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. We're going to hang out at Epcot tonight. Why don't you come with us? Right this way. Well, we're in the Art of Disney. We're checking out the Big Figs. It's the one we saw early at Hollywood Studios for $125. There's Iago. There's Jafar. That one's cool. Welcome to Disneyland. $95. Some Jim Shore as well. Of course, Ariel, Little Mermaid, Bambi. That Snow White one is super cool. The details of that are awesome. We got something from Hercules, Haunted Mansion, The Hitchhiking Ghost, and Madame Leota. Oh, Madame Leota. Oh, that one's cool too. That's the seance scene there. There she is again. Of course, we got Nightmare Before Christmas, Big Fig, Cinderella's Castle. There's the Bride from the Haunted Mansion. Don't want to get mixed up with her. Oh, look, Tiana looking like a. She said, "Who this fool that I'm going to be moving in next to? Just trying to get my combo on." And we got murder and ghosts across the street. Anyways, you know all about it, don't you? Simba, the sky. Here we are in the Art of Disney World Showcase. Oh, they still got some 50th statues. There's a Figment statue. Of course, Tinkerbell, Woody, another Simba. Here's Mickey and Minnie. Castle. And I like these randos. This one's cool. That's obviously from the It's a Small World, Pirates of the Caribbean, and T-Birds. I really do like this store. All right, chalk it up to things that we don't need, but we saw, and we want it, so we had to have it. We got this fella right here. It's a little baby-looking Figment with rainbow. It's an artist, Maria Stuckney from the Underground Gallery. It was only $30. Had to be done. Princess Tiana. Man, you are looking good today. I'm looking forward to riding your ride next year. Yeah, don't mind the haters. Haters gonna hate.
But no one cooks like Chef Remy. Venez, suivez-moi, s'il vous plaît. The Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Des invités pour le dîner.
Pour le repas idéal. En commun? No. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it. Que manigacez-vous? Out of my way!
Dépêchez-vous. Par ici. Go. Go. Oh.
Il va aussi va falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy.
Here he is in all his grandeur. The Japanese dragon. The flower garden. Excuse me, Mr. Dragon Man. I know you've already subscribed to Mr. Nooks and Crannies, but could you like and share maybe some of the videos? You're going to be in this one. Oh, you can. Well, that is mighty nice of y'all. Mighty nice indeed. Thank you, Dragon Breath. I mean, we'll see you next time, Dragon.